Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here. I have a new edition, a little more expensive. Let's see here. I'll go ahead and show you some numbers before I go to unboxing. This was already in the United States. I ordered it from a U.S. factory that housed it. So, I guess I'm going to rip this thing open and take a look inside. Well, missed that one. Get this thing open. Alright, so there's the controller it comes with. You can see it in detail on Banggood. This is where I did get my truck from. This is it right here. Yep. You also get some other goodies. They do send some nice tools to maintain your truck. Add your mud flaps. That is front and rear mud flaps. Plenty of tools. All the tools you need. Everything you need to maintain the truck. Got some zip ties in there. Cables. I mean, they add it all in here. There's no need to buy anything extra for this truck. Well, maybe some batteries for the controller. Alright, let's get this big boy out of here. Damn it, I was so close. There we go. There it is. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah. Guys, when I say quality, they didn't relax on any part of quality. The boxing, the shipping box, the packaging box, hell, even the truck that the box that the truck is in is pretty nice. Oh, plenty of weight. Oh man. Even comes with a face mask. Hell yeah. You know. Oh yeah. It's got everything you need. And I will be getting the crane arm for it. That works. This thing is detailed out. I'm kind of sitting here in awe looking at it. Man, I have no idea where to start. Goodness. I ain't gonna jabber about it. I'll probably just give it a run. Jeez. I did decide on a 2S run just for the first run. Team Co-Rally. It is a 120C battery. It's a hell of a discharge. Should be plenty of power for this truck, which is I cannot stress how much this thing weighs. This thing is heavy. Well, that's fast. This is 2S. Yeah. Sweet.
if I got a path to walk it up to the top. Whew, here we are. Here we are not. Yeah. Little whiskey throttle. It's my fault. Oh. Whew. Almost hit a tree. Woo! I was going to shoot the end into this and wow, I almost went over the hill.
one-handed trying to drive this thing. It does not have like any type of auto brake. That's flex though. And I don't want to fall. See how we can handle this one. Oh man, that's an ugly situation to have one of these trucks in. Well, shit. Okay. Let me see here. Might be going about this the wrong way. I was. There we go. I mean, I took it up here. I got to get it back down. Well, that's easy. Ooh, not for me. Oh, let's get you. I still got it though. How the hell? I went down. Ah, come on. Look at that. Yeah, it's slick out here. It handled that pretty well. There's the bottom to the controller. Oh yeah. Right over it. It could use a better ESC, a little stronger ESC for it, and that's about all I got to say. Just a little more power to the ESC, a little braking. Some braking at choice. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. That's the HG P802. I got it off Banggood myself. It was already in the US, so it got here like 3 days. I think I ordered it Sunday. Today's Thursday, so that's like 4 days. 3 days in the wake up. I'm okay with that. But yeah, this thing's sweet. I like it. As soon as I get the trailer for it and the crane arm, just snaps on there, and then you plug it into your receiver. Yeah, hook it into one of your channels. Probably it'll be my right joystick, because this truck does use one stick. Like so. Oh, let me get this out of here. I like it. I'm just in complete awe